I have a really quick Walmart grocery haul. This was a pickup this morning at 8 o'clock. I think it was $100, I want to say, maybe like $98.99. It's basically just a fill-in order of a few things that we needed for the rest of this week. So I got another big pack of water, Gatorade for my son's school lunch, orange juice for breakfast. I got my youngest son and my daughter a lemonade. They both love that, and they didn't have any of the bigger lemonade. Picked up this pot roast that I'm actually about to throw in the slow cooker this morning for tonight's dinner. Needed some more cereal bars and breakfast meat for my son's school lunch, and cheese. His favorite chips. He's completely out of chips right now. More milk and cereal. And I got these to put his sandwiches in from now on every day because I was using entirely too many sandwich Ziploc bags. And then I needed more Dawn, so I picked that up. And then, hi Nella. And then I picked up my son some more soap. And then we needed more detergent, so I picked that up. Hi Batman. And I did get these, but I got the really cheap ones because I'm only going to be using these for his chips in his lunchbox. I did look for some reusable, smaller like sandwich bags for that, but they did not have any, so I'm going to have to look for those somewhere else or order some online. And then we had to have toothpaste. But that is all I picked up at Walmart this morning. I just spent over an hour on the phone with the insurance company for the person who hit us in the car wreck a couple weeks ago. But anyways, I wanted to bring y'all along today for some cleaning. I have a lot that I need to get done, and I don't have, let's see, I've already started work this morning, but I don't have another order to pick up until 11:45, so that way I could eat breakfast and get some stuff done before I went back out for work. I do point pickup, which is a delivery service for Walmart, and then I do Instacart. I always want to say Snapchat for some reason for Instacart, but I also do Instacart half-time, part-time. Anyway, so I'm going to show y'all around a little bit for what we need to get done, and then I'm going to get my breakfast finished, sit down and eat that, and then I will get started. So my living room area looks like this right now because my daughter's dog, come here Clyde. My daughter's dog had to have surgery. Say hi. He had a mass removed, and the mass did end up coming back to be a tumor, but luckily it was benign, thank the good Lord. So I had to take a few days off work with him because my daughter is a teacher and she just can't take time off as easy as I can. So I put a quilt out here for him to lay on and be able to sleep on because he was in a lot of pain and he didn't really understand what was going on. So I took my rug up. I got that rug for $5 and that tree for $10 at a like garage sale. So I need to put away these covers, wash that quilt, and just get everything straightened up. I need to wash the bottom or clean the bottom of that coffee table really well because it came from storage and it is disgusting and I'm tired of looking at it from the couch. I did pay a lot for this gate to keep them out of the living room area, but he had to be in there at the time with me so I could watch him. That's why this looks like this. We piled up in there for a few days and I haven't been able to get to it yet, and my daughter sat there all day yesterday and wrote an essay for college. But anywho, I'm gonna get my breakfast finished and then I will get this started. I am having a little frozen hash brown patty with a runny egg on it this morning and some turkey bacon. I picked up these two little succulents yesterday from Lowe's for my window, and I think they are so cute. After I eat and before I leave, if I get the living room done in time, I also need to switch out the dishwasher really quick. I like to put my runny egg right on top of my hash brown. So I'm gonna eat really quick and then we will get started.
Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
Okay, so that is much better. Floors are done and everything is picked up. Table is now clean. I love that little tree in the corner. I had been looking for one. Never in a million years would I imagine the price of these trees brand new. It was absolutely ridiculous and I just couldn't do it. So I got that for $10 and the rug for $5. The only thing that's wrong with the rug is it has a small stain right here, but I'm gonna work on getting that up. Feels much better in here now that that is cleaned up, and I can close this gate back off to the dogs. Of course I can't Batman because he jumps straight over it, but feels much better to have Clyde out of there and have it all cleaned up. Now I'm gonna get to the kitchen and switch out the dishwasher real quick.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are.
Kitchen is cleaned back up now. I don't have work again until 11:45, so I'm just gonna finish straightening up. I'll probably do the floors in the kitchen. So before I put my pot roast in the crock pot, I like to saute it in a little bit of olive oil. So I've got that really hot, and I've seasoned my pot roast with this new onion salt from Trader Joe's. I've never tried that. And some onion powder and garlic powder. So I'm just gonna get this put in the oil and season the other side. And then once I get it browned on both sides, I will throw it in the crock pot. So I have it in the slow cooker now on low. I'm just gonna add 1 cup of water, and then I'm gonna crush 2 beef bouillon cubes in there with it. And I have to leave out for work, but when I come home on my lunch break, I will add some potatoes and carrots. My roast is cooking and it smells so good. Can't wait to have that for dinner. but I'm just gonna do the floors real quick. Floors are done now. Feels so much better in here. I have been searching for a vacuum because the last few I've bought have been absolute trash. So, and Kim just reminded me when she was talking about her Bissell. So that's what I've been wanting is the Bissell Crosswave. If you ever see this vacuum anywhere, don't get it. Just don't get it. Excuse my sweaty red face, but I have found a Bissell Crosswave that I'm gonna be getting. Super excited about that. I would love to have a Dyson, but that's not gonna happen in my lifetime because they are entirely too expensive. But I finally found the Bissell Crosswave and I'm gonna be getting that sometime next week. So I'm super excited to use that. And then that is going in the trash. I really need to go through that mail over there too, but I'm not gonna do that right now because I'm not gonna have time. Sees the birds. Oh, and a squirrel. Good thing the squirrel's super quick. It's beautiful outside today. Come on. Clyde, I'm about to make some chicken fried rice for my lunch today, and then, excuse my dishwasher, and then I will use what's left to meal prep for the next couple of days for my lunch. My daughter also comes home for her lunch break, so I made her some of just the fried rice without the chicken. She doesn't eat meat. So here is my lunch, and then I had enough left to pack me up for tomorrow's lunch. It is about 2 o'clock now, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions, potatoes, and carrots. So I just have about a half a bag of these carrots left. They are pre-washed. Just gonna pour those in there. And then I've got one medium-sized onion, just cubed up, and then some potatoes. I am gonna season the top of the potatoes with garlic powder. Onion powder, this onion salt, now I'm just going to get the lid on it and let it cook for another few hours until we're ready to eat dinner. It is 6 o'clock and my roast is done. I put it on high at 5 o'clock because the potatoes were not getting done quick enough because I didn't put them in here until 2 o'clock. But it is done now. Everything is really tender and I'm about to make my plate. And I cover my roast and potatoes with ranch dressing and Louisiana hot sauce. I am going to end this video here. I wanted to include the laundry room in this video, but that is not going to happen. That will just be too long of a video. So I am going to have to make that a separate video, and I will start on it today. But I am going to have to separate them, so make sure that y'all come back and watch that one too. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it gave you all some cleaning motivation. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I will see y'all in my next video.